Everest Helicopter Tour.
The Everest Base Camp Helicopter Tour departs from the domestic terminal at Tribhuvan International Airport in Kathmandu. The plane circles the valley before landing in Lukla, the gateway to Mount Everest. The helicopter's aerial view reveals the dramatic landscapes, verdant rolling hills decorated with farm fields, and a backdrop of gratifying mountains. As we approach Lukla Airport, the flight experience becomes even more enjoyable. After a brief spin, the plane lands at Lukla Airport's airstrip for refueling. You will get your first taste of Sherpa culture here. The Everest region is primarily a Buddhist region, with the majority of people practicing Buddhism and related traditions. After a brief rest and some flight procedures, we fly higher, overflying Everest before landing at Kala Patthar as requested by the client. Our daring pilots will ensure that all safety precautions have been taken and will inspect the helipad before landing at an altitude of 5450 m at Kala Patthar. You'll be greeted with 360-degree panoramic views of the Nuptse Lotse Lola peaks, as well as Khumbu ice falls, glaciers, and Mt. Pumori. You are welcome to take photos to share with your friends and family, but we recommend that our visitors stay present and enjoy the wonderful nature and surroundings. On our way back to Kathmandu, we stop for breakfast at Hotel Everest View in Sayangbok, the world's highest altitude hotel. We'll be at Sayangbok for about 20 to 30 minutes. After breakfast, we will return to Lukla Airport to refuel before flying back to Kathmandu.
Please keep in mind that the maximum weight per charter for landing at Sayangbok is 450 kilograms, which includes passengers, 5 packs maximum, and their belongings. Due to high altitude restrictions, the maximum landing weight at Farish is 420 kg and at Kala Patthar is 220 kg. As a result, in order to land at Kala Patthar with more than 220 kg, we must take an additional shuttle from Farish. Also, 4 to 5 people cannot land at the same time. In this case, a single charter only transports 450 kg from Kathmandu Valley.